We're all looking for beauty that comes back in your garden, like in perennials. And I want to introduce you to two of my favorite summer blooming perennials. This one you may know, the black-eyed Susan. She's a classic and great for pollinators. And a great companion for black-eyed Susan is this beautiful blue fortune hyssop. Both of these happen to be North American native plants that have been improved upon for more flower power. Now, what I love about both of these as complements in the garden is that they are natural attractors to pollinators and beneficial insects. The other thing with the black-eyed Susan is if you cut back some of the dead blooms on it, it will actually rebloom. You can see here where I deadheaded a spent bloom and I've already got a second flower coming along. The same occurs with the hyssop. By cutting out some of the dead flowers, they'll continue to bloom right into fall. Alternatively, with the black-eyed Susan, if you decide to leave the seed heads on, let the frost come, these seed heads provide food for overwintering birds. And of course, I'd be remiss if I didn't mention that both of these flowers can make beautiful bouquets for summer arrangements. If you don't have these perennial beauties in your garden, you might think about it. It's lovely to have all this beauty come back year after year. Gosh, you're beautiful.